I'm gonna tell you and show you what to expect after pretty much the first week of your pool being in use. And this is for a pool that's been stored over the winter time and maybe the first year, second year. This is our 6th year now. This is pretty typical. I have a feeling I know exactly what's gonna look like. So this is what you can expect after the first week and what you should do. Okay, I'm gonna shut off the valves to the pool so no water runs out. And our pump has been running now for every night. I run mine for about 8 hours. And I have a feeling this is what you can expect your filter to look like. Yeah, look at that. See that? Just a bunch of junk. I mean, this is only, look at that, there's some hair. This is after less than a week. So look at that water in there, how dirty it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just hose this off like in my other videos. Clean this water out, just dump it out. Actually, I'll do that right now. Just dump it out so that we don't have any dirt in there. And then we'll put that back in, turn those back on, and we'll be back in business.